Guess what? Now our client portal has Domain Connect integration. This feature is going to allow your business to connect a custom domain to the client portal, enhancing your branding and providing a seamless experience for clients accessing their account. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to enhance your branding. Now your business can use your own custom domain for your client portal. Who doesn't love that? It's also going to improve the overall experience. By connecting a custom portal domain, your clients can access the custom portal using a URL they're familiar with. It's also going to help you put forward a professional presentation. Utilizing a custom domain elevates the professionalism of your client portal. Let's talk about the practical use. Let's say that you're an online course creator and you want to offer students a dedicated platform to access course material, submit assignments, or engage with fellow learners. Well, now by connecting a custom domain to the client portal, the course creator, you are ensuring a seamless and branded experience for your students, enhancing their learning journey and fostering a sense of community right within your CRM. Let me show you exactly how to access this. First, we need to create a client settings portal. To do this, you're going to go to Sites, Client Portal, and then you're going to access the new domain setup. Now from here, you want to go ahead and migrate your domain. So follow these settings and go ahead and add the domain as well as the migrate domain settings. Now, if you want to modify a domain, you're simply going to click Modify. Now, you can also delete or remove a domain by clicking the three-dot kebab and clicking Delete Domain. You'll also notice on here that you can also preview this domain in the same area. Now your business can elevate your brand identity, improve experience, and maintain a professional presentation, ultimately fostering stronger client relationships and enhancing business credibility, all within simple features within the CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature update. Let us know if you need any help at all.